In this video, I will be writing A, B, and C as product of their prime factors. I will start with A. Okay, 138 using the factor tree by 2. We have 65 plus 4, 69. 69 is not an even number, so we move to 3. By 3, we have 23. 23 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, and 2 is a prime number. So the product of prime factors of A are 2 times 3 times 23. And we move to B, which is 81. Okay, 81 is not an even number, so we move to 3. 81 divided by 3 is 27. 27 is not prime, so we divide again. 27 divided by 3 is 9. 9 is not a prime number, it's not an even number, so 3 again by 3, and we have 3. So B is the product of prime factors of B is 3 to the power of 4. Okay, so we move to C now. And what do we have here? 228. 228. Okay. Oh God. 228 is an even number, so divide by 2. We have 114. 114. 114 is an even number, so we divide it by 2. And we get 57. 57. 57 is 57 divisible by 3? Yes. By 3. Okay. 45 and 12. 45 plus 12 divided by 3 is 4. So 15 is 19. 57 divided by 3 is 19. And 19 is a prime number. Okay, so C is 2 square times 3 times 19. That's the product of prime factors of A, B, and C. 138, 81, and 228. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.